Dear, it is my great honor to express my deepest gratitude to Mrs. Smita Mishra, Central Executive Member, FJF, Sub Journalist Forum, and Mr. Sudhanshu Ji, President of the FJF India Chapter, whose visionary leadership has given new direction and energy to our Sub Journalist Forum. Under their guidance and Sub Journalist Forum, India chapter has emerged as a strong activities platform addressing issue of peace, democracy, economic growth, culture, dynamic leadership of our society
दिल्ली में है प्रोग्राम में
in its mission to uphold democratic values, empower educational region. We are the voice of hope that the better of future build up in this region. South Asia is one of the most diverse yet conflict-prone region in the world. Historical dispute, political tension, border conflict, religious extremism, and misinformation have often threatened peace and stability. Play a central role of promoting peace, mutual understanding, and regional cooperation. Journalists act as watchdog of the society by exposing injustice, human rights, violence, and abuse of power. Responsibility journalism can be free by the presenting fact, actuality, and avoiding sensationalism and give voice of communities. Peace journalism encourages dialogue, state and division, highlighting common human values, national and regional boundaries. In the South Asia, cross-border journalism can help build trust among nations by sharing stories of cooperation, culture, trade, people-to-people connection, media platform, and change narrative and promote diplomacy by the focusing of solution rather than conflict. At the same time, the regional cooperation must be strengthened through active, effective regional alliance as a SAARC region, and respecting of this our forums, journalists can be play role of motivating mainstream collaboration on issue like climate change,